Drowning in Chase Bank statements and struggling to keep your QuickBooks Online accounts up to date? This video will show you exactly how to seamlessly integrate your Chase Bank account with QuickBooks Online, automatically importing and categorizing your transactions, saving you time and headaches first. Log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the Banking tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the Connect Account button in the search bar. Type Chase and select Chase Bank from the list of options. You'll be prompted to enter your Chase Online username and password. This is a secure connection directly between Chase and QuickBooks. QuickBooks never stores this information directly. Click the Submit button to continue. Now, select the Chase accounts you want to connect to QuickBooks. You can choose to connect your checking, savings, and credit card accounts. Make sure to carefully match each Chase account to its corresponding account in QuickBooks. QuickBooks will then start downloading your recent transactions. The initial download might take a few minutes, but once it's done, your Chase transactions will appear in the banking feed, ready to be categorized. Review each transaction and assign it to the appropriate category in your chart of accounts. You can also create rules to automatically categorize recurring transactions in the future. This ensures accurate tracking and reporting. By connecting your Chase Bank account to QuickBooks Online, you can effectively streamline your accounting, gain better visibility into your finances, and free up more time to focus on growing your business. For more QuickBooks tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.